Hi, this is Miko with Weather Watchers. There is going to be more snow coming throughout Friday, so we're gonna get more on top of what we have. Behind that snow front, there is going to be some Arctic air. It's going to be very cold, like in the negatives. High on Sunday is going to be 3. Wind chills are going to be in the negative 20 to 30 degrees. Bring your pets in if you have any outside. Don't go outside unless you have some gear with you. At the southeast, there's going to be some tornado active stuff. That's about what I have for today. And make sure you come back to Weather Watchers for more extreme chasing.